The ultimate guide achieving a sparkling bathroom with the best cleaning services. Ever wondered why a sparkling bathroom is so satisfying? Well, it's not just about looks. We Clean Bathrooms knows that understanding the key factors behind bathroom cleanliness can turn your cleaning routine into a satisfying science experiment. It's all about a mix of chemistry and smart choices for the best bathroom cleaning services. Get ready to dive into the world of cleaning chemistry, where everyday household items become your secret weapons against grime. Baking soda and vinegar? They're not just for volcanoes. These powerhouses can break down soap scum and mineral deposits. And let's not forget hydrogen peroxide, a stain-busting, bacteria-fighting marvel that's gentle on surfaces. Selecting the right products is like curating a superstar cleaning team for your bathroom. Opt for antibacterial cleansers to banish germs, and keep an eye out for those with gentle abrasives to buff away stubborn stains without scratching. We Clean Bathrooms recommends reading labels for words like disinfect, sanitize, deodorize. Prepare to have your mind blown, because we're about to bust some cleaning myths that have been holding you back. 1. Bleach is the ultimate cleaner. Truth: while bleach disinfects, it's not an all-purpose cleaner. Myth number 2, more product means better results. Truth: using too much cleaner can leave a residue. 3. All natural is always safe. Truth: some natural ingredients can damage surfaces. Trust tried and true products. Now that you are armed with the science of shine, it's time to partner up with We Clean Bathrooms for a bathroom that's beyond brilliant. Our cleaning experts are not just armed with mops and sponges, they're equipped with the science-backed knowledge to tackle every corner of your bathroom. With a deep understanding of cleaning agents and techniques, they'll banish grime without compromising your surfaces. Not all surfaces are created equal, and neither are the cleaning methods for them. Our professionals know which products to use on which surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean that won't damage your bathroom's aesthetics. We Clean Bathrooms is all about smart cleaning that lasts. Say goodbye to the myths that had you scrubbing harder but not smarter. Our experts use the right amount of the right products, ensuring that your bathroom shines without any residues or damage. Ready to embark on a cleaning journey that's as effective as it is satisfying? Armed with the science of shine and the expertise of We Clean Bathrooms, you're set to make your bathroom gleam like never before. Say goodbye to cleaning frustrations and hello to the joy of a sparkling space. It's all within your scientific reach.